Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, far southwestern Arkansas, and far northwestern Louisiana. Cities in today's enhanced include Shreveport, Louisiana, Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, Bossier City, Louisiana, and Texarkana, Texas. There's a slight today covering parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, much of Arkansas, much of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, far west central Alabama, and southwestern Tennessee. Cities in today's slate include Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Plano, Texas, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Garland, Texas. There are two marginals today. One covering parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, southern Louisiana, far northeastern and southeastern Mississippi. I think I mentioned northern Arkansas too. Western Alabama, parts of Tennessee, southeastern Missouri, and southwestern Kentucky. The second marginal today covers north central Kentucky, most of Indiana, western half of Ohio, and much of Michigan. Cities in today's marginals include Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Austin, Texas. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, southern Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Shreveport, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, and Allen, Texas. There is a 2% chance of tornadoes today covering parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, central Arkansas, central Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Plano, Texas, Arlington, Texas, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 3. A level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index. Excuse me. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1. Okay, today. Alright, I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for EF1 or stronger will be within the black dashed area. Okay? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly looking at EF0 tornadoes, maybe EF1 at max outside the black dashed area, but the black dashed area again has the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 or stronger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Irving, Texas. Going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damage in wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, much of Arkansas, much of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, southwestern Tennessee, and far west central Alabama. The 15% wind risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Plano, Texas, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Garland, Texas. And there are two areas where we have a 5% wind risk area today. One covering parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, northern Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, southwestern Kentucky, parts of Tennessee, western Alabama, far northeastern and southeastern Mississippi, and southern Louisiana. Another 5% wind risk today covers north central Kentucky, most of Indiana, western half of Ohio, and much of Michigan. The 5% wind risk areas today include Houston, Texas, Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, and Austin, Texas. And now for the hail threat for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of, really? There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering southeastern Oklahoma, far southwestern Arkansas, far northwestern Louisiana, and northeastern Texas. The 30% hail risk area today covers Shreveport, Louisiana, Tyler, Texas, Longview, Texas, Bossier City, Louisiana, and Texarkana, Texas. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, and parts of Texas. The 15% hail risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Plano, Texas, Garland, Texas, Mesquite, Texas, and Carlton, Texas. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering parts of Oklahoma, parts of Texas, parts of Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, much of Mississippi, and far southwestern Tennessee. The 5% hail risk area today includes Houston, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Fort Worth, Texas, and Arlington, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger today within the black dashed area. Alright? I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying the 2-inch hail can't happen outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter today. Alright? Cities in the black dashed area today include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Austin, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, and Arlington, Texas. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are expected today from parts of the southern plains into the Ark-La-Tex and lower Mississippi Valley. Large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes will be possible. The greatest threat for supercells with very large hail, 2+ inches, should focus across parts of southeast Oklahoma into the Ark-La-Tex. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? And I will have my day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.